It's another weekend. I'm camping, first weekend in June, and I'm at Cedar Hill State Park. There's the van. Got her all set up. And coming down the road is Miss Lola. Yep, the core four is together. We're back in the pocket again, I guess you might say. Frugal's got her truck camper parked right behind me. We're at this campsite. And there's Frugal, if I can zoom in on her. Walking Sammy Joe. Good morning. And at the next campsite over here, we have Debake. Yep, she's been fixed and is running. And behind there is Vicky. Vicky's sticking her head out. So the core four and the three white vans and one truck camper are back together again.
Yay!
There's Miss Lola. She had to go put her sunglasses on.
It's bright out here, man.
It is. And this is the main gathering campground.
What can he do?
Dan brought Vicky a present. Aw. That looks so cute. What else did you get? Oh, no.
Yay!
I'm so happy. Y'all are gonna love me all day.
Thought you needed a new pair of glasses.
Thanks, Dan. They work real well. Something smells a little fishy here.
You might want to put some sunscreen on today.
You like my pretty music? Thanks, Dan.
You're welcome.
That was nice of you.
And yes, we're hiking. We're hiking. We're hiking. Hiking out to Penn Farms. Farm equipment. You have to have it if you're going to live on a farm. People are setting up for a photo shoot. Cute little baby. Some more farm equipment. Vicky's taking a picture of something so that she cannot put it up on YouTube. This is what she's photographing. Now she's photographing
Wild
me.
Dan. Look what
It's
I
a
found.
wild Vicky. It's a Vicky Van Gogh. Of course, you have to have more farm equipment. And Vicky has spotted poison ivy
And wild lettuce.
and wild lettuce.
Show me the wild lettuce.
This is wild lettuce.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
So what makes you so sure about that?
With the shape of the leaf,
Okay.
the way it's growing, and if you want to be too fishy, pull it apart, and it's going to be milky inside.
And what if it's not?
Well, maybe I'm wrong. It's milky, see on my finger?
So the real proof is when you eat it, right?
Taste it, tell me what it tastes like.
No, Dan will though. If he wants to.
No, I don't.
Frugal?
Well, it's very close to the poison ivy, so we'll find more. How's
Okay,
that?
sounds good. We needed a taste tester to prove whether or not that was edible or not. We wanted to know if you were game. Nope.
Nope. Barn. A big barn. More farm equipment. That's what you do with a barn. You keep stuff in it. Equipment and livestock. Big buzzard.
Yeah, that's kind of creepy, huh? Yeah, they roost in there, I think.
How cool is that?
Come after me, buddy. Yeah, he doesn't like Sammy.
Play with him, Sammy. Sammy Joe, go get him.
He growled. A life less than rude.
Listen to him growl.
That's insane.
As a side note, we have more farm equipment in this barn.
And a picnic table.
the Penn farmhouse. Their front porch, and they got to look out, enjoy the view. Petticoat Junction.